We've got 10 interesting, and some might say bizarre, facts about accounting, accounts payable, and if there's guilt by association, well then finance guys, we've got you covered also. For fun, you might want to keep track of how many you get right. Fun fact number 1. Do you know where the term bean counter comes from? It originated from the practice of counting beans in the 19th century. Do you know what accounting's connection to rock and roll is? Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones studied finance and accounting before deciding on a career change to music. Led Zeppelin also started in accounting. Do you know when the first mention of accounting and accounts payable can be found? In ancient Mesopotamia. The earliest records of accounting and accounts payable date back to ancient Mesopotamia, where merchants kept detailed records of debits and payments on clay tablets. They go back over 7,000 years. And it didn't stop there. The Roman Empire had a sophisticated system of accounting, including accounts payable, to manage the vast finances of the empire. Number 3. Do you know fictional accountants who have gained popularity from pop culture? Can you name a few? Kevin Malone from The Office and Louis Tully from Ghostbusters are both fictional accountants. If you know of others, please share that business intelligence in the comments so we all can have a chuckle. Do you know which former president started his career as an accountant? That would be Herbert Hoover. Number 6. Do you know what role the accountants played in The Producers, the movie and the play? Leo is the accountant in this mega movie and Broadway hit. However, unlike the movie and the play, the fictional work focused around a scheme to produce a Broadway flop. Do you know what the first accounting software was called? It was called General Ledger, and it was developed in the 1970s. Now this one you might know. Who is considered the father of accounting? He is Italian mathematician Franciscan Friar and frequent collaborator with Leonardo da Vinci, and his name was Luca Pacioli. He is considered to be the father of modern accounting as he introduced the double entry bookkeeping system in 1494. And because of this, we honor him on November 10th, which was his birthday, and is also National Accounting Day. Number 9. What was the relationship between Charles Dickens and accounting? You may know that he used accountants in many of his books, but do you know who some of them were? Not only was Ebenezer Scrooge and Bob Cratchit in The Christmas Carol in this field, but also Mr. Micawber in David Copperfield, Mr. Jaggers in Great Expectations, and quite a few others. Now, we've got one last one that probably has never occurred to you, or at least to most of you it hasn't. Do you know what the relationship between accounting and bubblegum is? That's right, bubblegum. It was invented by an accountant, Walter Dima. Now that you've had a good chuckle or two, a respite worth the few minutes, I hope, that you might be reflecting on all the times that you were interrupted during the day. We've got you covered there. We recently put together a survival guide for managing interruptions, which you can watch right now using the link that has appeared on your YouTube screen and is in the description. Good luck.